Understanding SIM cards and factory resets.
Hello, and welcome to our informative session where we tackle one of the most common concerns about mobile phones. Will removing the SIM card affect my data during a factory reset? This question pops up frequently as people try to protect their personal information while troubleshooting their devices. So let's break it down for you.
What is a SIM card?
A SIM card, or subscriber identity module, is a small card that connects your phone to the cellular network. It holds information such as your mobile number, the details of your service provider, and often your contacts. However, it doesn't typically store data like your photos, messages, or apps.
What happens in a factory reset?
A factory reset is a function on your phone that returns it to the state it was in when it left the factory. This means all data added post-purchase, such as apps, photos, messages, and settings, are deleted. Essentially, it wipes your device clean of any personal data and settings.
Will removing the SIM card affect my data during a factory reset?
Now, let's tackle the main question. Removing the SIM card from your device will not affect the data stored on your phone during a factory reset. As we've established, the SIM card and your device storage are separate entities. However, if you have contacts saved directly to your SIM card, these will be preserved if the card is removed prior to the reset. That said, any data stored on the phone itself, such as messages, apps, photos, etc., will be deleted regardless of whether the SIM card is in the phone or not during a factory reset. In conclusion, removing your SIM card before a factory reset will not protect the data stored on your phone, but it will safeguard any information stored on the SIM itself. Always remember to back up important data before conducting a factory reset. Hope this video helps you understand the relationship between your SIM card, your phone, and the factory reset function. Stay safe and smart with your devices.